Welcome guys to my channel, it's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Oshinoko Season 2 episode number 12. We are in the penultimate episode right now. So it just released on Netflix and I'm quite excited to get to it. But before going to the reaction or pre-reaction discussion, I would like to request you guys to please like, share, subscribe and post the notification bell if you like this reaction or my any other reactions. That would greatly help me guys. That would tell the YouTube algorithm that you guys like this kind of videos and that will push these videos to other people too. And that's the greatest help you guys can do for me. So please do it. I hope you guys do it. And now, with that being said, before going to the reaction, I would like to recap what happened in the previous episode. Man, the previous episode was wild actually. Like I was not expecting that, cause the start of the episode was a slow one. It was like a slice of life anime where our hero went to a date with another girl and all those things happened with Kana. It was nice. It was beautiful. I was enjoying it. But then suddenly the second half started, and of course, as we know, he again went out with Akane, and this time, to my surprise, Akane did propose. So that was wild. Like Ako was trying to break up because he wanted to move on and not actually hurt Akane by pretending to be in love or something, or he thought that she was not in love. But yeah, Akane proposed. I think so. That was a proposal. She openly told that she has some feelings towards him. So that was nice, and I thought, okay, this is enough for a cool episode. I'm okay with this, but suddenly that twist happened. Not that twist, but Akane realized after hearing the story of Aqua that he wants to kill someone. So Akane realized that Aqua's father is not dead. So Aqua, but she can't explain or she can't reveal it to Aqua because Aqua was just beginning to act like a normal teenager again, and she doesn't want to put the trauma again on him. So she has that dilemma now. She's living in that dilemma of whether she should inform Aqua or keep it to herself so that Aqua can be happy. So yeah, that's a tricky one. I don't know how she will resolve that, and I'm quite excited to see what they will do with that dilemma and with her character. And I think so she's also coming with the gang to the trip. So yeah, so this episode I think so we'll start with the trip where they are actually going to the same village where Ruby and Aqua's previous characters, the doctor and that cancer kid, both were there. Like that hospital they was there, so they both died there. So this is quite a coincidence that they are going to that place as a trip now. So that will be traumatic a little bit. So yeah, excited for it. And coming to the last twist, man. They revealed the face of Aqua and Ruby's father, Ai's husband, not husband but partner. Man, that's wild. That's wild. Like I was not even in my dreams I did not expect that they will be revealing his face. Like I thought that will be like some kind of finale reveal or final arc reveal. Not this early. I don't think so. This is the final arc. So yeah, that's interesting. Like that caught me off guard. But yeah, that's where we are, guys. I hope so. I recapped the previous episode properly. So with that being said, I can't wait to get to the reaction. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. Man, I am excited what they will do with. Yeah, this is his previous life's character, right? Oh wow. Yeah, they have not realized it yet, each other, that they are these guys. Man, it will be wild when, like, I'm so excited for what they will do with their father's character. He seems interesting, like a villainous type of interesting. Ah, this is cool. That was nice. A quiet scene, only emotions and visuals. Oh wow! So they have made their music already. Beat. Oh wow! They're going to edit it. Yeah, that is not authentic enough. Oh no! Don't show a night scene. I'm scared for her. Come on, move on. Who is this? What's happening? Are they trying to explore her character now? Wow, who is this character? So I just went back and checked it. She's an Instagrammer, right? Just a friend. Yeah. So yeah, she's just a friend of her, not that yellow haired girl. Oh wow, we're off to the trip. Yeah, I wanted to see her reaction. Let's see how she deals with that dilemma. Oh wow, this is the first time they are meeting. True, true, true. I didn't think about that. Yeah, she has genetics of eye, right? Of course. Wow. The ad libs from Kana. Wow. Oh, wow. Things are escalating. Oh my god. Oh. This is too funny. Yeah. She was the one who planned the trip, right? This is wild. Where are Akane and Kana? Ah, they're sitting together. And she is the monkey in the middle. Man, this is going to be awesome. Visiting that place where you died. Whoa. Wild. Wow, myths, valleys, and tranquility. What's an app name? Wow, okay, she is smiling. I thought she would be. Yeah, true, true, true. Oh, wow, okay, she lives here. Okay, that's what they were talking about. Makes sense. Also, I have a question like we saw it just still in the previous episode's ending. Some girl. Who was that? Why was she so creepy? That was such so creepy scene. Yeah, he used to live here, right? Of course. Wow. But why are they explaining this? Was that goddess the was that goddess the reason behind the reincarnation of them? Maybe. Wow, when these two are left alone. Let's see what Akane does. Yeah, of course. He is the evidence for it. Wow, where did she pull that off from? Yeah, wild. Exactly. And where they died too. Wow, what's that? Okay, his body. Yeah, his body is not yet found, right? Still. Will she put together that too? That he got reincarnated? So, okay, wow, so they didn't even try to find the body. Exactly. Wow, that nurse in the episode 1. Oh man, this is brutal. Don't show this. Wow, that was cool. that was really. Oh no. Okay, this is the place where he got stabbed. Yeah, he got spooked. Wow, he's going in search for his body. He knows where he died. Yeah, this is the place where he got pushed and he fell down and died, breaking his neck. That was brutal. Man, he's giving too many hints to her. She will definitely put it together. She is a genius in that kind of things. Wow, true. She doesn't know the truth. That's wild. Wow, he went back. I thought he would explore a little bit more. This is nice. But something is spooky around here. Something is not right. And I'm bracing myself for this. Okay, wow. Was this his house? The doctor's house? This is wild. So many wild things are happening. Wow, okay. Hmm. Okay, wow. So he didn't even know his previous father too. That's wild. Man, this is a trauma drum. What? So much lore reveal is happening. Okay, that's why he became the doctor. That's nice. Oh wow, he failed. Oh wow, okay. He did become that because he wanted to please his grandmother. Wow, her parents also didn't show up. What? Working? Bullshit. Yeah, This is bullshit. And so many backstories. And I'm still stuck on that coincidence that he didn't even know his father in the previous life too. That's wild. He doesn't know his father now. No, he didn't know then also. Even we didn't see her father parents too. So too many parents are missing here. Wild. Uh, but parents not coming for their child's death is too bullshit. Like this doesn't happen anywhere. This is pure fiction. Man, I don't like this. Like I don't even believe that there are parents like that. No. Bullshit. Bullshit. I call bullshit. Oh, see. In the back we saw I and Aqua silhouette. And she wished for the rebirth. Oh yeah. To soulless children. That's wild. What? Yeah, this is the child we saw. Okay, is she the god? So the god is real in this world. What's happening? There is such a big reveal. Why are they moving on with it? So that child knows about the reincarnation and she is some kind of supernatural creature. Wow. The story is picking up so fast. Wow, so many people are part of one music video. That's wild. Hmm. Yeah. Wow. Oh wow. That's wild. I didn't even think about that. Yeah. She became delirious. It looks a little bit too childish. Wow. Yeah. Wow. What's going to happen? Yeah, she's a little bit cuter now. He is shy too. Yes. This is nice. In the creepy environment that is surrounding them. Akane has still not talked about the dilemma that she has or thought about it. That's wild. Wow. She is trying to remove the competition. Hmm. Yeah, I also got attacked by a guy. That's nice. That's actually true. Yeah, he has been careless. I got attacked and she might get too by a jealous fan. Yeah, exactly. Oh, come on. Don't show this again. Exactly. Wow, she looks like Kana there. Oh, she is Kana. The head is replaced. What? I was shocked a little bit. Hmm. Come on, what's happening? This is creepy. What happened? Okay, it took something. Oh wow. So it took her key. Yeah, that's wild. It is luring them somewhere. Hmm. Oh, wow. Will she put it together? Come on. Come on, realize. Yeah, she doesn't want to lose Aqua. If she becomes idol, she has to give him up, right? Wow, that's nice. Oh, wow, she's still in love with Aqua's previous character. Oh wow, no. Yeah, that is wild. Man, this is going to be so weird when she finds out. Man, this is going to be so downhill. All the three girls love the same guy. No. She said it in a little different way. She said little difference, not difference little. Yeah, this is funny for now. but it's going to hurt afterwards.
16歳になったら真面目に考えてやるよ。
Yeah, I remember that happening. What's happening? Where is it leading to? Yeah, this is. Hopefully nothing happens. Please be safe. Oh wow, maybe they will see his body, dead body. Oh, they found his body. Yeah. Wow. They found his body. That's wild. Well, guys, the episode ended there. It was wild. The way, like, they are hitting it out of the park with the cliffhangers. The previous episode was like that, and this episode, like, I was a little bit suspicious that they are going to find the body or something. But that was a little bit traumatic for me too. Like, she was so in love with him. Like, she was just explaining her feelings for him and everything. And just after explaining and just after thinking about some person, and the next moment, innocently finding that person's dead body being rotten like that. That's going to be wild, man. Whew. My god. I can't even imagine the state of mind Ruby is going to be the next few days. I don't know how they are going to end this season. The next episode is going to be the last one. So I'm excited for it, definitely. I'm more excited for it after this episode, but I'm sad for it that this is going to end this beautiful story. But yeah, man, how are they going to end it? Where are they going to end it? What reveal is going to happen like that? Like the reveal that happened right now, the her finding the dead body, that can be a finale reveal too, and it will pass as a finale reveal 100%. But no, they showed it in the penultimate. So where will they end it? Man, I'm so excited. And like, man, it makes me sad that I have to wait a week for next episode. But yeah, that's the side effect of a good show, and that shows how much of a well-written show and well-directed show Shinoko is. Man, that's wild. This episode was an amazing episode. Like, we saw again bits and pieces of slice of life anime getting added, but a creepy aura surrounded the whole episode. Like, something was eerie about this, and we saw the god character, maybe the small child. I think she's god character because she knows about reincarnation and everything. So she might be that deity, the goddess of entertainment and everything. But yeah, that's wild. That was wild. And to find out the backstory of our doctor, about his family, like him not having him not having a father or a mother, that's wild, and why he became a doctor. And even to find out that Ruby's previous life, when she was dying, her parents didn't even visit her. That was a little bit too fictional. It seemed to me like it is too, oh come on, that doesn't happen like that. Like that kind of feeling that I got. But that was good. And yeah, man, so many backstory reveals and so many traumatic reveals that happen in this episode. I don't know why I'm smiling. Yeah, I'm not smiling because that was funny to me. I'm smiling because I'm nervous and a little bit freaked out by the episode. But yeah, I don't know if I should say I enjoyed this episode, but it definitely entertained me, and I hope so this episode entertained you guys as much as it did to me. I hope so you enjoyed my reaction to this episode, and if you did, please guys, please like, share, subscribe, and push the notification bell so that you will get notified when my other reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode and your thoughts on my reaction, and if you have any tips or suggestions for me. I do require any kind of input, feedback, suggestion that I can get from you guys. Please do comment below. I read all the comments, I reply to each one of them. So please guys, please comment down below, interact with the video. That would help the video too, that would help my channel too, and it's free to do. So please do it. And finally, thank you to those who have been doing all of these things, liking the video, sharing these videos with their friends and families, subscribing, and coming back to the video, coming back to each and every week's reaction and interacting with the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next episode's reaction.